Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to build customer master data in effective way by use Excel. Here, for example, as the title important information that we would like to control in our master data. We have customer name, gender, email contact, country. Here I go into highlight the function that we would like to control of gender, country. Anything is about credit limit. Credit limit is the maximum of our customer then could buy us. The below customer buy us. For example, that I highlight the country because we would like our data will be going to select. We don't want it input manually because when people input manually there will be something error. For example, we can write the country in different language or different word latang. That's why our customer master data will be mixed information or we cannot analyze it. So the concept of today we will be control the customer master data in effective way. Here we have our country. So we would like in here we can select by it's just not input manually because some people is type in different way. So we select the whole of column F or country and then we paste data, we click to data and we go to data validation. Here we can go to data validation category by finding the word of list. We can go to sort in our sort data by click country. So we can select here. We can select. If we paste like this, we will see country. Maybe our people is confused about our country, so we can go to edit our sort by just click like this. Control Shift and narrow down key and enter. So there will be our all data in here. We can select it by all our country. Okay, it's just example how is it. Gender also the same way, but we can use in a bit different by we also can list by go to source like this. Okay, and then we can press it. Or we have another way. If we would like to clear this drop down list, we can click clear, okay, and then we will not see the drop down list anymore. But in here we also have another way by we just write in like this. For example, if we just write F or instead of F instead of female, instead of male, like this. Also have right, we can click here in drop down list. Okay, we can move forward into our date of birth. Some of our customer data or in our data another concept we should have control the date. So we will be click on data valuation. So again we can go to data validation and choose of our date. Here the data we can select not between or between that, equal, greater than, lesser than, just about our control. For example, we would like to select the customer not if the customer not have age more than 80 years old or not older than 50 years old, we could control in here. But my customer data is not control about our debt. And the credit limit is control about our amount. And somehow we also can choose about the value, the whole numbers is comparing about the minimum or maximum. Sometimes we would like to reduce our human by, for example, if they write the minus amount or something else, or maximum the million, we cannot pass any over than this. For example, as I mentioned above, is the credit limit is amount the customer is able to buy us. For example, if I write the minor, so it is not allow us to enter because we would like to make sure we don't have any of human error when we input our customer data. Or we could write in million like this, but we like to control the customer and cannot have the credit limit more than million, so we can like this. But if we write the number that less than, so anyway, just not over the data variation. If we would like to change about any condition of data variation, just go to click it and then change our condition anyway. Like this. And then our data will be automatically changed. Or when we would like to create, we just also click the same way and click on. So here is our concept. We control our customer data by using data variation